What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got some big news with Tesla, especially in terms of a leaked email that specifically talks about the Tesla Semi. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys aren't a super big fan of the Tesla Semi, but if you guys have a lot of Tesla stock or Tesla call options, the Tesla Semi is definitely going to be the vehicle that you want to look at because this is a logistics vehicle. It's only Tesla that's producing these cars. Other companies are mostly focusing on sedans, SUVs. I don't really think anyone is focusing on the electric semi. Sure, Daimler is, but they're nowhere near completion. And we should be seeing the first deliveries of the Tesla semi-truck to Walmart probably in Canada around late 2021. So they're about 3 to 4 years ahead of the game, along with setting up shop, semi-truck technicians, mega chargers in certain locations. I mean, they're way ahead of the competition. And right now there's already a leaked email that appears that Tesla is ensuring that the semi-truck's production version that will be shipping out to customers really good in the spec size. And the prototypes are already super impressive. All the way back in 2017, the prototypes were unveiled. It was a really big thing because it was one of the biggest rumored vehicles about Tesla. People were like, oh, is Tesla ever gonna launch a semi-truck? I mean, it sounds kind of weird since they make luxury vehicles. Will they ever make like a logistics vehicle? They did, and it went really well, especially the Tesla Semi actually looks really cool. And the 0 to 60 is really fast. And fast forward 3 to 4 years, now it's currently under production because it will be produced in the Austin Gigafactory. There's a pretty big prototype production facility in Nevada. They want to make sure everything's correct before moving forward. And it's really big, a lot of orders coming in, and there's even some companies out there saying that they will increase orders from 3 to 300 if the initial vehicles are good. And there's a recent email sent by Tesla to a customer in Germany. The Tesla Semi has been giving some really cool updates, which really shows that this Class 8 truck will be performing better than expected. Like if you thought the 2017 prototype specs were really good, wait till you see them now. It's way better. Message was reportedly sent to a German news outlet, and it actually says that Tesla themselves has already built several Tesla Semis in late 2020. Now, the 2020 prototypes versus the 2017 prototypes are totally different. The brand new updated semi prototypes are much better. They got like better windows, new door handles, new taillights, not to mention the better battery and also a really good amount of safety features. It makes it really awesome. And so far, we should be seeing the semi truck improving the range. The range is really important for a semi truck. If it's a lousy, range semi truck, it's not really going to get that far. Tesla reportedly says that their semi-truck should be reaching 300 to 500 mile ranges, which in my opinion, if the 2020 prototypes are way better, we could be seeing 600, 700 miles of range. I think they want to announce this as a surprise when they really start dropping it, but this is a pretty big leaked email that everyone is really looking at. Now, it's not just them focusing on the Tesla semis themselves, they're also focusing on the mega charger network. If you know the supercharger network, it's really good. Tesla is expanding rapidly for the supercharger network. These supercharger V3 stalls are super important for the vehicles. They're so obsessed with it that they even set up a supercharger factory in Shanghai, which makes 10,000 superchargers per year. It only makes superchargers, nothing else. Like, we don't even have that here in America. So that's big. And now they're trying to make the mega charger network because the Tesla semis cannot charge at the supercharger V3s. They can, but it takes 5 to 6 hours because the battery cells in semi trucks are roughly 4 to 6 times more than a regular sedan or SUV. So obviously you need a much faster charging station. The mega charger network allows a fully electric semi truck to charge from 0 to 80% in roughly 30 minutes. That's actually very good. And they should be deploying a lot of these mega chargers in strategic cities and locations. They're not going to put these mega charger networks everywhere. They're going to be putting them in major areas, like specific areas that they know that these semi trucks will be going through. They're not going to be reckless with these mega charger networks. But here's the thing. I think a lot of consumers out there will be purchasing the electric semi truck because of all the services that go with it. If Daimler tomorrow comes out with their electric semi truck that's fully made and there's no other glitches or flaws, I don't really think people buy that because Daimler isn't really focusing on the mega chargers or the semi-truck technicians. Now, electric semi-trucks have way less maintenance than a diesel truck, but at the same time, you still need some maintenance. And people are hesitant to buy an electric semi if there's no maintenance teams to go with it. This is why Tesla's now hiring semi-truck technicians. specifically for themselves. And they should be opening up shop around Canada, right next to Canada Walmart. And since Walmart is such a big logistics provider because of Walmart Plus, you should be seeing a lot of vehicles being ordered by Walmart. And Walmart already ordered like 30 to 40 electric semi trucks, and they should be, establishing these mega chargers in specific locations. Let's say your logistics fleet is based on A. They will put a bunch of mega chargers in A and no one else. And they'll be putting them in strategic highway locations. Let's say a lot of trucks, 90% of them go through this specific highway. They will put a giant mega charging station for those trucks. And not only will they make money from the maintenance, but they also make money from the mega chargers. That's how cool it is. This is a really big money making scenario that other people aren't really looking at, because other diesel truck companies, if you buy a diesel truck, that's all the money they'll ever made. If you want to do maintenance, you do it in some other third-party company. If you want gas, you go to a gas station. I mean, those diesel truck making companies, they only sell the trucks, whereas Tesla is making money 3 different ways. 1 from the technicians, 2 from the mega chargers, and 3 obviously from the initial sale of the Tesla semis. This is big. The email has also said that the most important changes were the technical updates to the vehicle's drive and architecture. This email also shows off a lot of really cool stuff about the Tesla Semi. I think Tesla really wants to show off some new improvements, and we should be seeing more and more reservations coming in. No other company has more reservations for an electric semi truck than Tesla. Tesla is way ahead of the pack, and they're probably 3 to 4 years ahead. And it's looking very, very nice. Ever since the unveiling all the way back in 2017, people got really excited. Initially, everyone thought that the Tesla Semi would be 300, 400 miles, but we could be seeing it going past 500, maybe even 600, 650 miles per charge, which is very awesome. And remember, this semi truck will most likely be giving out the first deliveries in late 2021. And since the logistics vehicle market is so big, we should be seeing some really big stuff coming in for Tesla in terms of sales and money-wise. If you thought Q1 of 2021 with 184,000 vehicle deliveries is impressive, wait till you see Q2, Q3, Q4. Remember, the previous quarter, Q1, they only had 2 cars carrying the whole team, the Model Y and the Model S. That's it. We should be seeing even more deliveries coming in from the Model X and the Model S refresh, the Cybertruck, Roadster in a couple years probably, and also the electric semi-truck, which will be coming out at late 2021. Get super excited. I mean, so far, Tesla's doing these semi-service technician job postings. They're working on these mega chargers. It's looking really awesome for Tesla. If you guys want to invest in Tesla, I say now is the perfect time, especially if the share prices aren't super expensive compared to several months ago. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment below, definitely subscribe. How do you guys feel about Tesla? And how do you guys feel about this email?